is a game. I've made it, but okay, it's kind of the thing that's cool about it though. This game originated as just a little thing that I was playing with some kids, and yeah, it
was sort of hopscotch.
Yeah, it's like a hopscotch, but it's like a bit different. It's you can't step on the red tiles, and every time you step on a coin, you get a point, and every time you step on a minus point, you get no point. you get that costs 1 point. Let's just say that. I was like, wait, let's turn this into a computer game, and I was like, yeah, let's do it. So I have this. And the thing that really surprised me is that we really had to change 2 things about it to make it go from like a prototype to a very just this thing. So I started it off with just red and blue squares, and yeah, red, green, yellow, and blue squares, and it going, and a black circle going up, and that just looked ugly. And I only needed to change 2 things to make it look like this. There's this great thing, coolers.co, and it's really cool. You can just press space, and it's going to generate a palette.
So you went all design on this?
Yeah. Then I started to implement the shapes, and then it really started to kick off. I also changed the color of the circle from black to this sort of like this cool skin color, and that made it quite a bit better. This is not the end game. My younger sister over there is gonna try to program this, although, well, she's just learning, so I don't know if she'll be able to program this in like 2 days or something, but like I did. But this was just a purely improvised thing. My sis has come up with a game idea, so it's not really. It started just on the pavement
in front of the Amsterdam house where we were
staying in. Which, by the way, it was just like it was just a can. We're just way too hot in there.
It was really hot in Amsterdam.
Yeah. This wasn't my idea. We were just my sis drew this out on the pavement in chalk, and then it resembled hopscotch, but not really. And then I was like, this would be good to do as a computer game, and so I ended up making it. This is also. I don't know if I should say this, but this is kind of. If you looked at all my other game projects, they were just like prototypes and stuff.
They were just prototypes?
And well, they were just like, well, they looked like prototypes. They were not, but they just looked like prototypes. I think this is actually going to be my new style of project, that I'm going to actually generate colors and shapes and get.
You're becoming pro.
Yeah, I'm becoming a pro.
And you're using your design skills.
Yeah.
So is this going to be turned into an app or not? Or will it always forever
I might turn it. I think I'm going to turn it into a desktop app. I don't think I'm going to turn it into a mobile app. Anyway, hope you enjoyed just this little Android that's more improvised, less educational sort of video, and maybe I should do. If you're new here, by the way, this is not my regular style of video. My regular style of video are much more educational than this, but this was just a little thing that I wanted to share. So,
but programming this is very educational.
Yeah.
If somebody looks into your code.
I know it is, but I wanted to say my normal videos. Hang on, let's start again. My normal videos are a lot more educational than this. I program a visualization and then I sort of visualize some sort of math topic with it, but this was just a little fun experiment that I wanted to share with the world.
Wonderful.
Link to it in the description. And
I'm sure people will enjoy playing it.
See you the next time I'll see you. Bye. Sort of forgot my catchphrase there. My new catchphrase.